Hello everyone, I am Flash.
Hope you all are good. It's a joystick-based video.
Hope you all like it. First, setting sprint sensitivity. Did you want to sprint fast? Like Flash, follow up the video. For the latest update, 85% is best for jiggle and precise movement. Second, setting joystick size for stuck issue and headshot. I use third layout since starting. This setting is applicable for both layouts. Change the joystick size according to me. That's all, you are done.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.